Hello, Graham. Hi, this is Tyler over at Tameron Hyundai in beautiful Hoover, Alabama, 1 mile north of the Galleria. I want to thank you for inquiring about the 2018 Hyundai Tucson SE. I have it behind me right here in sparkling silver, and you'll notice the first thing about it is a beautiful vehicle. It has wraparound headlights, premium alloy wheels, blind spot mirror. If you come take a look on the inside, you have stain resistant cloth seating, you have Bluetooth, cruise control, touchscreen, backup camera, so many features. And this vehicle also has America's best warranty. It has a 5-year, 60,000 mile new car warranty, 10-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. But here at Tameron, and just for you, we exclusively double that to 20-year, 200,000 mile powertrain warranty. My name's Tyler. Give me a call, 205-901-1087. You're going to love the way you're treated here at Tameron Hyundai.